If you want to customize a folder in home screen on Motorola Signature, then unfortunately we do not have many options in terms of customization. What you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the folder, and then we have the big folder option. This allows you to use this 2x2 size for the folder, and as you can see we have many apps visible in a much more clear way. This actually allows you to immediately open apps from the folder without having to go into the folder. So for example, if I have a folder like this one over here, I actually have to tap on the folder if I want to go into any of these apps. But if I have this 2x2 folder, then of course I can just tap on the app icon immediately. The exception is of course apps that are after these ones. So as you can see, we have 8 apps that can be opened immediately, and the rest of them, for the rest of them, we actually have to open the folder. We can also change the name of the folder, of course. If you want to, you can just simply tap on the name that we have over here, and then you can change the name quite easily. But that is pretty much everything that we can do. We can of course make the folder small again if you want to. But yeah, in terms of customization, that is everything that we can do. Leave a like and subscribe.